Glory to God. Happy birthday to my spiritual father, Apostle Johnson Suleman. I join heaven and earth, my children, my entire family, joining me to say happy birthday, happy blessed birthday to our spiritual father. Papa, you've been a blessing to us. Countless ways. Words will fail me to begin to count how you've been a blessing to our lives. To God be the glory that you answered the call. To God be the glory that you said yes to Him. We are beneficiaries of the grace of God upon your life. And we celebrate you today and always. We honor you. Happy birthday, Papa. Enjoy. God bless you. Our scripture prayer for you today is Proverbs 4, verse 18. As the path of a just man shineth, even more and more to the perfect day, so we decree upon your life that you will continue to go higher and higher. The best is here to come. We love you and we honor you. Happy birthday, Papa.